Hey everyone, it's Eric with the North Shore Travelers, and welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome to our channel. I wanted to break down my last video for you and give you a full room tour of 5237, which is an interior spa cabin. If you're considering booking an interior spa cabin, or maybe you got that phone call from Carnival for a room upgrade offer for an interior spa cabin, we're going to give you a full layout and video of the room, as well as what is included with this cabin, the thermal suites. We're going to give you a full tour of the thermal suites as well. Lastly, we'll finish up, because it's in that same area, of the fitness center, just in case you find yourself going to the fitness center on cruises like I do, to burn off all that food you're eating. So if you're considering booking this cabin or taking that upgrade offer, stick around. We got all the details for you coming up. Alright, room tour of 5237 Carnival Jubilee. You first walk in, also kill all your power in here, take that out. You got your light switches. And then the most important part, put the AC on. And you got your muster station, safety information behind the door. We'll go right into the closet area. We haven't gotten our luggage yet, so this is just stuff that we had in our backpack. Of course, you can see that we got the safe, we got these pull-out drawers, and we got our shoes down in this one, and this next one, wife has got her stuff in there. We are in the interior spa cabin, so we get unlimited access to the thermal suites, and we also can fold these down if we don't want the full length closet space. And the next we have, we'll jump right into the bathroom area. My favorite part is no more shower curtains on these newer ships. Those are always a pain. I got some shelving up there, a little makeup mirror, and then of course you gotta do the toilet test. Good to go. Next, the vanity area over here, some shelving. We got drawers, the hair dryer in the bottom one, and then of course this thing pulls out, and then you can also put whatever you want in there. A lot of people put their dirty clothes in there, but we bring a travel hamper. This is different for us. The fridge is actually on this side, and we bring our own refillable water jugs every cruise. Of course, our TV, the bed. Once we get our luggage and empty it, it'll be underneath the bed. And then plug-in spots for our cell phones. And that completes our room tour, 5237 Carnival Jubilee.
Sweet area. Are you guys in this car room?
We are, yes.
That's good. I want to show you something which is included in this car room. Which day are you staying?
5.
Okay.
Hello.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Hi. So I'm going to be taking you through the Century at Sea, okay?
Okay.
So basically, I want to show you the route that gives you the best benefits as well. Okay. So to kickstart your experience, we'll utilize the steam rooms. The first steam room doesn't have any aroma. It's just open up the pores. So I'll let you know later on why it's necessary to open up those pores. Okay.
Okay.
After that, we come here to our aromatherapy. With aromatherapy, it's absolutely amazing. We utilize the lemongrass. So basically, if you want to kickstart your detoxification for the body, this is where you're going to be. But also, if you're feeling a little bit congested as well, that's going to make you feel amazing. Okay. So these two rooms are extremely hot. Are you ready to cool down? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So we come here to our experience showers. With the experience showers, they have 3 different settings. First one is a little cold shock. Cold shock is not really my favorite, but some people like it. If you like it, go for it. Next one is the rain showers. Rain showers is what you play around with the lighting. So you can pair it with your mood, with a little bit of light therapy as well. See, so we can get up. And then my very favorite setting is the mist setting. So it's like cute little kisses onto the body, right?
Okay.
Okay. So once we pull down, we head on over this way. So this is the most therapeutic view on board. This is your salt therapy sauna. Now with the salt therapy sauna, the entire room is made out of the Himalayan salt stones when they come in.
Okay.
So remember at the very beginning, I was mentioning why it is necessary to open up the pores. It's actually so we can absorb the different minerals that come from the Himalayan salt stones. So it kickstart that repair process of the body. We also incorporate the red light therapy. So in terms of pain management, if you're suffering with like joint pain, knee pain, back pain, this is going to be that room that's going to start making you feel better as well. Okay.
Okay.
From here, we're going to be heading over to the mineral pool. With the mineral pool, it's amazing and a lot warmer than the hot tubs upstairs, but also we incorporate the jets as well as the red light therapy. So we're still on that healing and repair stage as well. You also get your lovely starry night up there with Instagram content if that's your thing, and then the last place is the dinner night. And guess what? Just take a guess. What? So, since you're here, you get to try them. So you can take off the bags and give them a lot. They're amazing.
We've actually been on them before.
Yeah, see how it melts everything away?
They're amazing.
Yes, so they're heated and that's away all your tension. And it's really difficult to get up from them honestly like
It
that.
is.
Yeah.
It is. We've fallen asleep on them before.
Yeah. So, what this space for the duration of the cruise, it costs $169. Okay. You're